Start by grabbing your plastic panel removal tool. This one's from Snap-on, but I'll have a link below for the ones that are a little bit cheaper on Amazon. It just doesn't scratch your dash. It's not metal or hard or anything like that, so it just removes things easily. Using a 10 millimeter socket, remove 4 bolts from the dash here. It's best if you have a magnetic pickup tool for this part because they're kind of deep back there. So if you can just use your magnetic pickup tool and pick them up, it makes it much easier. Unless your nut driver actually has magnetic bit in it, which is kind of nice, which is probably a better idea, but this one did not have it. So if you're trying to install the stereo, I have in the links below the harness and the stereo kit below, so you can just go ahead and purchase those with my affiliate link. I originally had a filming for installing the stereo, but my battery died on my camcorder, so I lost most of the recording. But it's pretty straightforward. It's a harness, it's a kit, and no antenna adapter. Really simple. And here's a factory stereo. My friend's his aux plug-in broke, so he wanted to replace his stereo with something. He bought like a cheap Android one that actually worked pretty well for being $100. So I'll also have that link to that one below too, the one we used. And here's the back of the stereo. Make sure to like and subscribe.